Happy Thanksgiving Eve from New York City. We're Madison and Ivan, and today's madventure is celebrating Thanksgiving in the most iconic place on the planet to celebrate Thanksgiving. So you're here outside of the 34th Street Macy's, which is already gearing up for the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. There are rehearsals going on behind us. The decorations are everywhere. I'm already, we're 2 days ahead of Thanksgiving right now, and I am already so excited for what's to come.
Yeah, it is so exciting to be able to see this parade that we've seen on TV for our whole lives in person for the first time.
This parade started 98 years ago. This is quite a tradition, and yeah, I can't believe we're gonna see that. Tomorrow, we're gonna gear up even more by seeing the balloons being inflated, the iconic balloons. We're gonna have an amazing Thanksgiving meal that we found here, and see the parade. It's all the best. This is gonna be the most insane, iconic Thanksgiving ever.
All without having to cook the turkey ourselves or clean up afterwards.
Exactly. So anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna go explore some of the Macy's decorations and see how they're gearing up inside. Let's go. This Macy's is currently home to the only toysRus in the world. As a 90s kid, that is pretty iconic. All the displays are amazing, but this Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade display is so cool and detailed. And just like the real parade, it starts with Tom Turkey and ends with Santa.
We have gone on all 10 floors of Macy's. We are Macy's experts. We are trained, ready to go for the parade tomorrow.
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 Parades, cosmetics kit, parade lip balm, Thanksgiving Day Parade eyeshadow palette. This is insane. 2 days away.
This is a big deal. I did not realize they would have all this decorative stuff.
Happy Thanksgiving Eve! We are walking through Central Park right now, and we can already see the floats. Oh my gosh, they are beginning to be inflated. You can actually see a lot of the, you can see the balloon floats, but I think we're actually also going to be able to see the floats that are on the ground as well, which is awesome. I wasn't expecting that. I thought we were just going to see the balloons, but everything's being staged. It's looking awesome.
This is actually the more up close and personal view of them too, because tomorrow they're going to be all the way up in the air, so you're going to be craning your neck.
This is so exciting. I definitely wasn't expecting to be able to see them this close and to see them this well. It seems like so many of them are already pretty inflated, and they're in these nets waiting to just containing them, keeping them down so that tomorrow they can rise and go into the sky and impress all of New York City and the world, guys. It's televised. We had no idea it would be this crazy. This is absolutely insane. We are waiting in a huge grouping to go through some sort of security. It's crazy.
We're so close. Right around the corner after 2 hours. Maybe more. Dragon Ball Z.
This is so crazy. It's so funny seeing them all in their nets though, but this is it's so cool. It's such a crazy, what's happening on my phone? We're running late. We tried to go do the float viewing thing, but we did not realize how chaotic that is. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Bye. Thanksgiving food is still a go, even though this took way longer than expected and we were supposed to pick it up almost 2 hours ago. Ugh.
We did it! Full parade!
It's we paraded around the parade.
We paraded around the floats instead of the other way around.
Now we rushed through Central Park to Butterfield Market to pick up tomorrow's Thanksgiving dinner. 3 hours after our scheduled pickup time, and just as the pickup window was coming to a close.
Got the good. Okay, Google. Snooze.
We have made it. It is 45 minutes till the parade starts, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be another hour and 45 minutes before it actually makes it over here. We'll see. But it is crazy. There are so many people out here, and we walked for like 40 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, trying to just find a decent spot. But I think hopefully we have a pretty good setup here on the corner. We'll be able to see it coming, see it going, see it kind of head on. But it's a very early morning. We woke up, I showed you guys. We woke up at 6. Happy Thanksgiving here, and I can't believe we're about to see this parade that I have seen like basically every year since I was born. So this is gonna be crazy. I can't believe it. The energy is sleepy but excited, and it's wild. It's gonna be a good day. What are you reading?
What am I reading? Wait. It's too early in the morning.
Oh my gosh, it's Tom Turkey and Mario Lopez marking the official start of the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Oh my gosh, and that's the corn kid. It's corn, a big lump of knobs, it has the juice. But of course, the most iconic part of the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade is the balloon floats, and we are getting to see so many awesome ones already starting out. It's amazing how many people it takes to hold these down and keep them under control through the streets. This is so cool to see in person. This chant, oh my gosh. Mexico, yes. I can't believe these people wearing stilts walking these streets so long, so many miles. It's insane. Oh my gosh, Sesame Street, look at Big Bird and Grover! We got Betty Who on the Olay float. Hey, Big Time Rush on the Kinder float. Oh, all the characters on the Disney Cruise float. SpongeBob, or as my grandma used to call him, the Big Cheese. You gotta love the Sinclair dinosaurs. Oh my gosh, this lady just told her son, that's Smokey, you know, the one that prevents forest fires. And I had to try so hard to contain myself because I'm just thinking, no ma'am, only you can prevent forest fires. Go bowling, I love it. So fun to see toysRus is back. Got some World Cup flair. Go Team USA! And such a classic. My family's favorite is always the Snoopy float. Hey, it's Adam Devine. Oh my gosh, look how the person in the banana suit kicks its legs. People around us think it's a real person. It's so good. It's so funny. Hey, it's Jimmy Fallon and the Roots. And that marks the official start of Christmas. We heard from a family looking for their reindeer that there are over 750 of them.
he does every year, Santa Claus marks the end of the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade.
That was insane. What
Wow.
the heck?
My neck is kind of hurting from craning
Yeah,
up.
we've been here for like over 3 hours just standing completely still. It's like finding your legs again.
But it was worth it. It was pretty cool.
It was so crazy. This is what is on television every day when I wake up on Thanksgiving. Like, my parents already have it on the TV. We kind of watch it while we drink our coffee. Didn't actually see it in person. Tom Turkey, all the way to Santa Claus, was just so iconic. That was amazing.
Yeah, and it was densely packed. They had so many great performances. It was awesome.
Yeah, that was so much fun. It was super crazy. Like, the crowds were wild. Yeah, if you go, assert your space and don't always believe people when they're like, oh, I'm looking to see my family. Oh, my baby wants it's my wife or his mommy. They're lying to you. Maybe. Some people were telling the truth. It's hard to know. But that really was quite a production. Like, we saw them preparing for it 3 days in a row, and to see it all come together and see it be so huge and epic, that was incredible.
And it's definitely like, it's a completely different perspective to what you see in television.
And now we might actually head to Chinatown, because Chinatown is weirdly iconic on movies and TV shows for holidays, for Thanksgiving specifically, when people burn their turkey.
Everything else is closed,
Yeah.
but not Chinatown.
So we're just gonna go see if that's real. Like, is it even real? What's it like in Chinatown today? Is it a bunch of people with burnt turkeys and a bunch of restaurants that are open? Is everything actually closed in real life? We're gonna find out.
I am hungry.
Yeah, me too. Oh my gosh.
This croissant made it even better because it was free. They're just handing these out right next to the subway. Bread's Bakery.
We made it to Chinatown, and sure enough, the media was telling the truth. It is bustling over here. So many places open, so we decided to hit Wa Feng for some lunch.
It's a bit of a line.
This has been on our list to visit for quite some time, for the roasted pork and the roasted duck. Fun fact, this is actually a pretty authentic Thanksgiving lunch, because it's a lot more likely that they would have eaten duck at the original Thanksgiving than turkey. And after a traditional Thanksgiving nap and a walk around the neighborhood to make some room for dinner, it is time to heat our Thanksgiving feast. It's so nice how easy this is. I highly recommend Butterfield Market if you're here for a holiday. As our epic Thanksgiving comes to an end, I am so thankful for you guys and your support as we pursue these crazy mad adventures. It seriously means so much to us. And I'm so thankful for this incredible week making memories with family. Thanks for joining us for this mad adventure. Please hit that like button and subscribe button. Join us on the next one. And until then, remember to live your own mad adventure.